Hi, and welcome to the HPD research poster sessions for EuroSense. My name is Michelle Nigella, VP of Research and Innovation at HPD Research. And we actually had a lot of posters for EuroSense this year, 5 different posters. We had brand harmony, DIY consumer neuroscience tools, Max Implicit for consumer technical models, behavioral approaches for innovation, and a mood mapping methodology for comparing marketing versus the product experience using neuroscience. So the thing about having too many posters is that it can get really difficult to interact on all of them at the same time on a virtual conference platform. There's also no chat box for these messages, so it was hard to interact with people who were visiting. And my understanding is that some people were having some difficulty downloading the posters. So if you missed our session or had any trouble getting in contact with myself or downloading the posters, you can still find us by visiting our website at www.hcdi.net. You can tweet with us at HCD Neuroscience. You can link with us on LinkedIn. You can catch our YouTube channel, or you can email me directly at michelle.nigella@hcdi.net. In this poster, I'm going to talk about the effect of context on perfume elicited emotions, understanding the product journey through mood mapping. My name is Michelle Nigella, PhD of Behavioral Neuroscience and VP of Research and Innovation at HPD Research. The key takeaway from this poster is that neurophysiological and mood mapping tools help to visualize very complicated data to make actionable results and aid in business decisions through understanding consumer behavior beyond traditional surveys and tools. So how does mood mapping help? Specifically, it helps with brand harmony. Having a mismatch between the product experience and the brand expectations can lead to challenges to product acceptability and liking, and ultimately purchase. This begs the development of new approaches and methodologies that can offer more insightful consumer understanding of all the synergistic effects that happen as the consumer experiences a product. By using neuroscience, we're able to map out the consumer experience so that you can see how one product perhaps compares to another. By using a multidimensional approach, plotting arousal, pleasantness, and attention, we're able to create an emotional map that helps our clients compare test stimuli against benchmarks beyond traditional hedonics and liking tests. So in this case study, we compared the emotional experience of watching an ad to an experience of wearing the perfume. In both experiences, we used physiological measures, heart rate, skin conductance, and facial EMG. In the perfume experience, consumers neatly sniffed a perfume fragrance, and we found distinct differences between 2 fragrances, Pop and Nomad. We also had participants watch an ad for these different perfumes. We saw that this was also different emotionally and physiologically. So we were able to map these 2 experiences against one another. And in this case, we found that the fragrance experience did not match the ad experience. The fragrance experience was more in the happy area where people were feeling more positive and more aroused. Whereas in the ad experience, people were feeling very positive, but they were feeling very unaroused, so a more relaxed sort of situation. So this was definitely a mismatch. And the advantage of being able to visualize the results in this way really helps make easy, clear decisions. So why do new products fail so frequently? When there is a difference between the emotional and perceptual congruency that a consumer experiences, it really affects their satisfaction. So the question really is, does your product meet the promise? The promises are made in marketing, and the product itself is very sensory driven. So being able to map those experiences and check for harmonization is of utmost importance. Neuropsychophysiology research can definitely help understand the consumer experience beyond surveys and traditional tools. It's very important to make sure that your product meets the promises for real market success. Mood mapping helps to visualize very complicated data into very actionable results to help in making business decisions. If you'd like to know more about this, please reach out to me at michelle.nigella@hcdi.net.